Hello and welcome back to the channel. Now I am assuming that you clicked on this video because you have some sort of interest in the cryptocurrency marketplace. So you have some sort of interest in the cryptocurrency marketplace. You have that interest either because you are invested in the marketplace or you're just curious about the marketplace. So whatever your interest is, if you have any form of interest in the cryptocurrency marketplace, then you are probably likely to have some sort of awareness that it is based, the whole marketplace is based on something called the blockchain technology. So in this video, I shall be attempting a blockchain technology for dummies kind of explanation as an introduction to the technology. So now this will not be too heavy on the details, but it will more be about a definition kind of video just to introduce you to the marketplace. So now, what is blockchain technology? Blockchain technology is an incorruptible open source ledger. It's an incorruptible open source ledger similar to the traditional ledger that we are all familiar with, where you record your profit and loss, credits and debit, etc. So it's along those lines, except of course it comes with a few added on extras. So how does it work and what does it do? Now, the blockchain technology, like I said, is used to store information and to record information. Let's say, for instance, let's use an example to give this explanation, because it's probably explained best with an example. So let's say, for instance, I want to send you some value, and I'm sending this value, of course, in cryptocurrencies, because of obviously this is where that marketplace, this is what this technology was created for. So I'm sending you this value. Let's say, for instance, I'm sending you 10 Litecoins. So I'm sending you 10 Litecoins, and to send that 10 Litecoins, I send it from my Litecoin wallet to your Litecoin wallet. Now, a wallet, as I'm sure you are aware, but if you're not aware, a wallet retains its traditional definition, like the wallet you have in your pocket, except of course with cryptocurrencies, the wallets exist in cyberspace, and they are codings and encryptions resting within a form of website or some sort of exchange. So that's what a wallet is. So so I am sending value from my wallet to your wallet, and to do this I have to do it via this blockchain technology. So now I send, let's say for instance, 10 Litecoin, which is the example we're using, to you. So to do this, I send the Litecoins from my wallet into the blockchain using your wallet as the recipient, as the receiving. And the way it checks to see if I do own the Litecoins that I'm sending to you and your receiving wallet is valid is by tasking something called nodes to check the encryptions that I am sending through. So these nodes are something that is also that are also called miners. So I'm sure you've heard the word mining before, that mining bitcoins, mining cryptocurrencies. So these nodes are set the task. These nodes, these miners, are set the task to check the validity of the exchange that is about to take place. Now is a good time to introduce another phrase into the conversation, and that is distributed ledger. So it works on a system called distributed ledger. Now I said that node miners are set tasks to check the validity of a transaction. These nodes miners can also be called blocks. So therein comes the blockchain. So these nodes and miners can also be called blocks, and the nodes, the miners, the blocks, they are individual computers all over the world plugged into the network to mine the cryptocurrency, and part of that mining process is being able to solve a task. So if they solve the task, they get a little bit of a token, or a fraction of a token, or fraction of a coin. So that's their reward, and that is the distributed ledger. So the distributed ledger are computers, individual unit computers, most often personally owned. It could well be your computer if you have enough computing power to plug into the system. So all these individual computers are set tasks to check validity of a transaction, and once they've been able to validate a transaction, they are then rewarded with a fraction of a token. So that's the distributed ledger, and the distributed obviously is because it's spread right across the world. So you will be in the Philippines, you will be in Nicaragua, and you're all into the same system. So that's the distributed ledger. Now, once the validity of that transaction has been established, whichever computer establishes it first is rewarded with a token, as we've already discussed. And then the real beauty of it, why it is considered an incorruptible system, is that all of the computers on that network then record and save this transaction, the validation, the process, the completion, etc., where it came from, how it was validated, and the recipient. All of that information is stored individually on all of the computers on the network. So that is why it is corruptible. So to corrupt it, you would effectively have to be able to access all of the computers that this information is stored on, because obviously when this information is about to be reused, it is revalidated by all of those computers, and if it's not validated by all of those computers, then it would not go through. So this is what a blockchain technology is, and the blocks are the individual computers within the system, and the chain obviously is the link right across the globe, and its incorruptibility is down to the fact that it's stored individually on computers worldwide. I have an article on this on my Steemit account. If you want to go have a look, where I explained it in a bit more detail. So go look me up on Steemit. That's me there, Crypto Grind. So go look me up on Steemit, have a read of it, and leave a comment, and follow me on Steemit as well. So there you have it, blockchain technology, open distributed ledger, spread across the world, and that's effectively what a blockchain is. It's effectively a chain of blocks spread across the world, a chain of ledgers spread across the world in the form of a blockchain. So there you have it. I hope that's not too convoluted. Leave your comments in the comment section. Let me know what you think. Like, share, subscribe, and I shall catch you on the next one.